You've likely heard countless times to stop overthinking, but is it that simple? When your mind gets tangled in endless loops of thoughts, questioning your actions and worrying about the future, it can feel like a maze with no exit. The real issue lies not in thinking, but in how we think. Stoicism offers timeless wisdom that helps regain control of our minds and find peace amidst chaos. It allows us to break free from the burden of excessive thoughts and live more empowered lives. In this video, I will share 5 Stoic secrets to help you escape the cycle of overthinking. These principles come from my personal journey through Stoicism, so pay close attention. Sometimes a minor shift in perspective can unlock a life filled with peace and strength. Define your core values. Life is full of distractions, and we often lose ourselves in worries and superficial concerns. To escape this trap, take time to identify your core values, what truly matters to you. Marcus Aurelius said that our distress often comes from how we perceive things, not the external events themselves. When you're anchored in your values, decision-making becomes easier. Reflect on what's meaningful to you and be genuine in your answers. If you don't define your values, others will impose theirs on you. Great figures like Albert Einstein and Marie Curie pursued their passions rather than social accolades. When you align your decisions with your core values, you free yourself from overthinking and find clarity in your choices. See the bigger picture. In the chaos of life, we often act like a soldier focused solely on the minutiae, such as a single comment or postponed email. However, stepping back allows you to see the larger context surrounding a situation. A former Navy SEAL commander taught me the effectiveness of this perspective in making sound decisions under pressure. When you adopt a broader viewpoint, many concerns lose significance. Use the technique of standing on the balcony, visualizing yourself as an observer of your situation. Keep a daily journal to reflect on what's troubling you. Over time, you'll realize many worries are fleeting and don't warrant the stress we give them. Decide step by step. Overthinking often stems from a simple question: should I do this? Instead of seeking an answer, your mind spirals into worst-case scenarios. The Stoics encourage breaking down decisions into manageable steps. Instead of overhauling your career all at once, focus on one small action, like updating your resume or researching job openings. Elon Musk's success at SpaceX illustrates this approach. Rather than becoming overwhelmed by grand ambitions, he broke tasks into manageable pieces, leading to monumental achievements. Remember, focus on what you can control and take action no matter how small. Focus on effort, not results. Imagine standing before a door to your dreams, but you hesitate, consumed by fear of failure. Stoicism teaches us to concentrate on effort instead of outcomes. You can't control results, but you can control your actions. As Epictetus said, don't seek things to happen as you wish them to happen as they do. Start setting action-based goals. Instead of aiming for perfection, focus on dedicating time to work on small steps. Even using the 5-minute rule can help kickstart progress. Commit to working on a task for just 5 minutes and see where the momentum takes you. Welcome uncertainty. Overthinking often traps us in a cycle of worrying about the unknown. Instead of fearing uncertainty, embrace it as an opportunity for growth. Life's unpredictability fuels discovery and innovation. By shifting your perspective, you'll see challenges as lessons rather than threats. Practice the Stoic technique of premeditatio malorum, or visualizing the worst possible outcomes, not to dwell on them, but to prepare yourself mentally. Recognize that even the worst-case scenario is unlikely to be catastrophic. In summary, the 5 Stoic secrets to combat overthinking are: define your core values, see the bigger picture, decide step by step, focus on effort rather than results, and welcome uncertainty. By learning to control your thoughts and direct them positively, you can achieve a life filled with clarity and peace. If you found this video helpful, please like and share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more content designed to inspire your journey toward a balanced life. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.